All right, care and maintenance for your twist style pen. Most of these are all the same when it comes to changing the ink. And for care, just use a microfiber cloth and wipe it down. Don't get aggressive with it. Don't use any chemicals, Windex, nothing. You just need to wipe it off. If you have access to Renaissance wax, you can use that, put a nice little coat on it, use your microfiber, wipe it on, wipe it off. This stuff lasts for a long, long time. I mean, I've had this bottle for 2 years and that's all I've used, or this container. All right, for this style, the tip is the twist, so it pulls out this way. You take off your transmission at the end, it just screws off. There's a spring in there, so be careful. Pull it out, your spring is right there on the end. Some springs will kind of compression fit right on the end of the ink cartridge. That's good to go. Just be careful, don't lose your spring or you won't work. These are Schmidt Easy Flow 9000 medium point. They're made in Germany. They write very smoothly. We enjoy using them because of the smoothness and the way they write. Even the medium is a pretty fine ink line as you're drawing or writing. There's a link below for these cartridges, so if you want to buy new ones, you can buy them. It's a Parker style refill, so you can use Parker, you can use these. I think even Montblanc makes these kind of cartridges, so it's just your preference. Get your new cartridge, put your spring on. The spring you need to watch because sometimes you see how it's loose and it's smaller on one side. Put the smaller end up against the cartridge. Slide it in. Tighten your transmission on. Finger tight is fine. Give it a nice, it's going to come out. Nice tightness to it, and then slide it back in. Good to go. All right, for pens like these where they separate in the middle, this one, the tip doesn't come off. It separates in the middle, and this one's tight. Pull it out. Same thing, you have a transmission right there. You unscrew your transmission. If I can get it off. I put this one on tight. There you go. Use a cloth. Unscrew that. There is a spring, same thing. Pull it out. This spring is not a different size. It's the same size on both. Pull it out of the pen. Drop it onto a cloth, pull it out so you can put it on your new cartridge. Slide it in. Screw this back on. Tight. Find where your lines match up. We got orange and orange. Red's on that side. Slide it together. It's good to go.